Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the app size and freeing space so the device can unpack the download. That's why you clear at least 500 MB to 1 GB. Once done, join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Cellular will likely block downloads over 200 MB. Make sure the App Store is signed into your Apple ID. Then start the download, tap Get or Update, and watch the progress icon. This initial setup prevents common failures and lets the system allocate temporary storage. If Wi-Fi is unreliable, you can bypass the 200 MB limit by using a computer. First, install or update iTunes or open Finder on newer Mac OS and sign into your Apple ID. This lets you download the app package. Once the app is on the computer, connect your iPhone with a USB cable and sync or transfer the app directly. This method moves the file over USB so you don't hit the cellular download cap. Make sure you trust the computer when prompted. After transfer or download, watch the app icon until it completes. Occasionally, you must pause, then resume the download to unblock it. If the install stalls, restart your iPhone and attempt the update or sync again, because a reboot clears temporary locks. If problems persist, reset network settings or free additional storage. Insufficient disk space is a frequent culprit. As a last resort, delete and reinstall the app from the computer or Wi-Fi to ensure a clean installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.